Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how we can work with the coordinate system. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about that absolute coordinate and relative coordinate. In this lecture, let's see how we can work with the coordinate system. To work with the coordinate system, we have to switch off this snap toolbars. If it is indicated in blue color, it is switched on. So if you click on this, now it is switched off. You can see here, ortho off, and then see, now it is on. You can switch off these things. In AutoCAD, we have all the toolbars to draw the object. So that will be easy also. But in this video specifically, we are going to work with the coordinates to learn the basic concept of the AutoCAD. So to start with, I'm starting with the line command. Just press L. L is the shortcut command for the line and then give enter. It will be asking you to specify the first point. If you look over here near the cursor itself, there will be a command line which is running. If you don't get this command line, you have to go to this customization option and then here you have to switch on the dynamic input. Here you can see the dynamic input is on. If you switch off that one, now the dynamic input option is off. If you give the line command in the command window, the small command window which was active near the cursor will not be available. So in order to get that small command window, you have to activate this dynamic input option. Now I have switched on that. See, you are getting the option near the cursor only. I'm going to give the first point as 0, 0 so that it will start from the origin. Next, I'm going to give the option as 3 feet, 0, and next I'm going to draw the vertical one. So you have to, let's give 7 feet, and then horizontal, let's give 4 feet, and again vertical you can give 7 feet, and if you wanted to draw in the horizontal line, you can give 5 feet and then give enter. To come out of this line command, you can press enter or escape key. Let's again draw the line. If you just go and pick over here, there is no snap option. If you wanted to switch on the snap option, you have to switch on this one, snap cursor, so that you will be getting the snap option. You can just draw from this line. I'm going to give 10 feet. Now if you click on this line is separate and this line is separate. So if you wanted to make this one to the relative coordinate, you can just right click on this dynamic input option and then click on this dynamic input settings, and here under dynamic input you can select settings, and in this one you can select the relative coordinates, give OK and then again OK. Now let's draw the line over here, 10 feet, 0 feet. See, now it is in the relative coordinate. If you wanted to measure the dimension, you can go to this tool, use this tool and then measure the dimension. So it is 4 feet, 7 feet. Next, let's draw the polyline. For polyline, we have to use this toolbar. The shortcut command is POLY. See, you can get here P line or else P line. If you click on this, it will show you how you can draw the P line. Just click on this and then you can just start over from here, specify over here, and then if you wanted to switch on to this another options, like see here you can have other options like arc, close, half width, length or undo. If you wanted to get these options near the small command window, you can just press the down arrow so that you will be getting these options over here. You can select the arc option and then give the arc length as 8 feet, and again straight line you can draw and then give enter or escape. If you wanted to change this arc height, you can just drag like this, stretch you can do, and then you can do like this. So in this way you can do the polyline. If you click on this, all lines will be as a single object. That is the use of polyline. Next, let's see how we can draw the rectangle. For the rectangle, the shortcut command is REC. Click on this and then specify first corner point. You have to do like this, and then you can give the sizes. I'm giving 4 feet and then 5 feet. See, the rectangle is drawn over here, 4 feet and 5 feet size. Next, let's see how we can draw with the angle. I'm going to draw one line of length 10 feet, and then now it is in the polar tracking. If you wanted to change this one to straight line, you have to switch on this command, that is ortho mode. If you click on this one, wherever you want, it will give you the straight line, and if you switch off this, you will be getting the polar tracking. So next point, we have to give the angle. So for that, you have to press the tab key, and then you can give the angle is 30 degree. Now again you can just track this one. See, this is not coming, right? So you can switch on this ortho option, so that you will be getting this one. You can close like this. In this way you can draw the object with angle. Next, let's draw the circle. For circle, this is the toolbar, circle toolbar. See, whenever you just hover into this toolbar, will show you what is the toolbar is for. To draw the circle, CIR is the shortcut command, and it will ask you the center point for circle. First, it will ask you the center point for circle. You can just click, and then you can give the diameter or radius. If you want to give the radius, you need to specify radius R, and then give, let's give the diameter as 5 feet. 5 feet diameter the circle has drawn. So in this way you have to work in the AutoCAD drawing with the coordinate system, but it will be time consuming rather than using the toolbars. So in the upcoming lectures, let's see how we can use the toolbars and then quickly draw the objects. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.